Now, I will take the development of zentao as an example and explain the key concepts in zentao. Zentao has open source, professional, and enterprise versions, and they are developed as 3 products and managed in agile methodology. Let's see how to manage the development of zentao version 15 in zentao. First, create a program called zentao. A program is a set of sub-programs and projects. It is for the strategic management of a company. Then, let's see the concept of a product. Create a product line and name it zentao. A product line has several related products. Under this product line, create 2 products, zentao open source and zentao pro. Let's see zentao open source first. Its baseline version is 15. Version control is a key concept in zentao, which runs through the entire system. Let's see, I will make improvements to version 15, which means there will be requirements. I will prioritize the requirements and make plans based on them in plan. For zentao open source, I have created 2 plans, 15.1 and 15.2. The professional version also has a number of requirements to develop, which can be tracked in plans. After a plan is made, create subprograms based on time, schedule, etc. I have created a subprogram called zentao subprogram 2021, which consists of several projects. The example here is divided by programs according to the product and the time. You can divide it according to the actual situation of your company. For example, according to departments, industries, project types, etc. You can also divide it according to multiple dimensions, so you can have an unlimited level program. After creating the subprogram, I created 2 projects. For zentao open source, I have a project called zentao open source 2021 project 1. I'll follow the agile methodology to develop it and complete it in several iterations, which is the concept of sprint in Scrum. Sprint 1 links stories from its plan and tasks decomposed. Meanwhile, this sprint will also solve the bugs of the previous sprint and bugs of this sprint. After the end of this sprint, 15.1 build 1 is released. A build is not officially released, but for testing. After sprint 1 is done, a new sprint will be started with story 4, 5, and 6, as well as corresponding tasks and bugs. This will be completed and released as 15.1 build 2. After these 2 sprints, I'll release an official version, the open source version 15.1, which is released in zentao. For the projects of zentao Pro, I'll follow the waterfall methodology and name it zentao Pro 2021 Project 1. Divide the project into phases of requirement, design, development, and testing. Each phase is carried out gradually. After a project is over, zentao Pro version 10.1 is officially released. After the 2 projects, zentao open source and zentao Pro, are upgraded to 15.1 and 10.1 respectively. New requirements based on the new version will be created, and then new projects are planned for development, and the product is continuously improved. As you can tell from the example, the concept of product in zentao is very important. The main business of your company might be project-based, but it does not hurt to use the concept of product to manage requirements and plans. What is delivered to customers is a product, whether you do a long-term product-based business or a project-based business. In zentao, a product is not only the input to a project, but also the goal of the project. You can update and upgrade the product through the project to realize the value of the customer. On top of that, put related products and projects together to form the concept of a program. Projects can be subdivided into several iterations or phases to complete, which is the concept of execution. You got it?